all. We're going to have a fun-filled coloring session today. We'll have fun with shapes. Are you all excited? Okay, so open your books and turn to page 7. What do you see? It's a cat. Now kids, what does a cat say? A cat says meow meow. This cat is made up of different shapes like triangle, circles and rectangle. Now, we have to color it beautifully. For this activity, you will need a brown crayon. Kids, do you know you can use these shapes to make other things as well, such as a hut, a car, etc. Okay, so let's start the activity. We'll begin by coloring the cat's ears first. Do as I do, kids. We'll now move on to the cat's face, followed by the body. Our cat is now finished. It appears to be lovely. This is how you can use shapes to make different things. I hope you enjoyed the activity. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.